Welcome to another Montessori-inspired DIY tutorial. Today, we'll be creating a Montessori Movable Alphabet, a fantastic hands-on learning tool that helps young learners build words, recognize letters, and strengthen early literacy skills. To make your own movable alphabet, you'll need the following materials: foam letters or sturdy cardstock in red and blue, a small storage box or trays for organization, a brush, ruler, and a fine tip marker for labeling. In the Montessori method, vowels are traditionally blue and consonants are red. This color coding helps children distinguish between them easily. Simply cut out letters and color them accordingly. Organize them into a storage box or small trays, sorting them by letter to make it easy for little hands to find what they need. And that's it. Your very own Montessori movable alphabet is ready to use. Encourage your child to form words, match sounds, and explore the joy of language in a hands-on way. Love this DIY? Subscribe for more Montessori-inspired activities that make learning fun and engaging. Happy learning!